have been defeated, Patrick. I want you to know I did not kill Ngorok, but I was in the scene and I tried my best to restrain myself from him stabbing himself because he was having a knife.
Bw'atyo Father Dominic Alenga agambibwa okutta omukozi w'ekitongole ekiwooza ky'omusolo ki URA John Bosco Ngorok bw'ategeezezza ku by'okuttibwa kw'omugenzi. Tukitegedde nti ababiri beerinako oluganda. Mu butambi bw'amaloboozi, Father Alenga bwe yaweerezza muganda we gwe tutegeddeko erya Patrick awulikika ng'amunnyonnyola ku nkolagana ye n'omugenzi gye yatandikira.
Now, it began last year. Ngorok borrowed me some money, 7 million last year in June, and I paid the first shift of 1 million in November. And since I could not manage to pay all at once, and the pressure he was giving was too much, I'm sorry, I sold the land I told you in Moroto. I sold that land and I told him to look for the buyer. He looked for the buyer and the buyer was Chelanyang, the commissioner, the brother of Veronica Lokui. Ngoroko himself looked for the buyer and they negotiated to 16 million. So I traveled to Kampala in March to pick to sign for this money and also to sign the agreement. Reaching there, I met Ngoroko and this man and the sister called Veronica, whom I never expected to appear in the scene. Well, I signed for the money. Little did I know, a photo of me was taken when I was confirming the money, and this photo was kept. I don't know for what reason. Ngorok took me this photo when I handed him the money because he told me he wants to use the money for some project of supplying solar panels using his company.
Okusinziira ku butambi buno, Father Alenga agamba ensisinkano ye n'omugenzi yali yegenderedde mu kwesasula ng'omugenzi yali aleese ensimbi za Father Alenga ezaafikira ng'aggyeeko ezize era zaali zibalirirwamu obukadde 10. Agamba mu kwekenneenya ssente ono ze yali amuleetedde yakizuula nga za bicupuli, kwe kusalawo agende ku kawunta mu kifo ky'atannyonnyola bulungi ayongere okukakasa ekintu ekyanyiza Ngorok.
Yes, Patrick, it's true. We had a meeting with the late in Entebbe. The purpose of the meeting was to pay me back the 10 million after removing his 7 million. 6, because I'd already paid him 1. And he was the very one who looked for the buyer and suggested. But in our meeting in Entebbe that night, I felt that the money the late had was not authentic. I felt it, and I even pulled a note of 50,000. When he saw me taking it to the counter, that is when the anger increased in him and we had to leave the place, and he also could not sleep in Entebbe. He told me we go. Little did I know he wanted to defend himself by destroying evidence and killing me.
Ayongerako nti akanyolagano katandika bazze mu mmotoka Father Alenga yennyini gye yali avuga omugenzi bwe yamuggyirayo ekiso amumalirize ng'atidde nti ayinza okumwasanguza mu bakama be aba URA nti yenyigira mu bufere bwa ssente ez'ebicupuli. Nti baalwanagana okutuuka bwe yamuggyako ekiso era bw'atyo n'afuna oluwenda n'afuluma emmotoka n'adduka nga wano Ngorok bwe yalaba nga kaweddemu ng'enjogera y'ekivubuka bweri kwe kwefumita ebiso ebyamujja mu budde.
We struggled in the vehicle while he was having a knife. He was complaining that I've ended his job. I'm going to report him to URA. I'm going to report him to people that is having fake money, and that is dangerous. My family and life has ended here. Dominic, you are not going to do this. He wanted to kill me. I was done driving, but I managed to catch the knife, but it cut my hand. But I managed to open the door of the car, and in the course of running, he also came out and started chasing after me. That's when the Bodobada men intervened. And then in the course of fighting with the Bodobada men, he was overpowered and stabbed himself and recorded. Maybe perhaps he might have communicated with just me. I went away. I lied in between the flowers of the pavement, and I made a phone call to Kisito and the team to rescue me.
Father Alenga mu butambi bw'amaloboozi buno era awulikika nga yejjusa ekyamujja Luweero gye yali okujja Entebbe oluvannyuma lw'omugenzi okumuperereza. Ono era yejjusa okukolagana n'omuntu gw'agamba nti yakitegeera luvannyuma nti yali ayiggibwa ku bufere bw'okukuba ssente ez'ebicupuli kubanga kino kyennyini kye kyamuviirako n'okuwummuzibwa ku mirimu gye egy'obusaserdoti.
The issue of the suspension came, and little did I know that I was associated, that I was moving with a man in Nakapiprit who was suspected for printing fake money. My association with this man was because he was a chairman board of governors of the school, of the parish. And when they were tracking him, my number came out and the one of Father Justin. But the issues we were discussing was about the school. There was something about fake money. It reached to my bosses and they say I'm printing fake money with some man in Nakapiprit. And I think they confirmed that photo. I could not say anything.
Kyokka ebigambo ebiri mu butambi buno poliisi tennaba kubikakasa bulungi nga yo ekyanyweredde ku byeyogedde nti ekyakola kunoonyereza eveeyo ne alipoota gy'esuubira nti yenaabamu akanigguusa. Shamim Naiga, NTV, Akawungezi.